Ever looked at your phone and thought, there has to be a better way to handle calls? Maybe you're tired of juggling multiple lines, missing important calls, or simply want to streamline your business communications. Well, you're not alone. Millions of people are searching for a solution, and that's where MightyCall comes in. But how does it actually work? Let's dive in. Imagine your business as a bustling city. You've got different departments, each with its own needs. You need a system that can handle the traffic, direct calls efficiently, and provide clear directions. MightyCall is like the city's traffic control center. It organizes the chaos, ensures smooth flow, and gets people where they need to go. At its core, MightyCall is a cloud-based phone system. That means it lives on the internet, not on a physical piece of hardware. This offers several advantages. First, you can access it from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're in the office, at home, or on the go, your phone system is always with you. Second, it's incredibly flexible. You can scale up or down as your business grows or shrinks. No need to invest in expensive hardware. One of the standout features of MightyCall is its ability to manage multiple phone numbers. Think of these as different avenues leading into your city. You can have a main business line, a dedicated sales line, or even separate numbers for different departments. This helps you track where your calls are coming from and route them accordingly. But it doesn't stop there. MightyCall also offers call forwarding, voicemail to email, call recording, and even call conferencing. It's like having a personal assistant for your phone system. You can set up rules to automatically forward calls, convert voicemails into emails for easy access, record important conversations for reference, and host conference calls with multiple participants. Let's talk about call queues. Picture a line of people waiting to get into a popular restaurant. MightyCall's call queues work similarly. When a customer calls, they're placed in a virtual queue. You can customize how many callers can be on hold, play music or messages while they wait, and even offer callback options. This ensures that no call goes unanswered and improves customer satisfaction. Integration is another key aspect of MightyCall. It can connect with your CRM, email, and other business tools. This means you can see who's calling, access customer information, and even log calls directly into your CRM. It's like having all your business information in one place. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. MightyCall offers flexible pricing plans to suit businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a solopreneur or a large enterprise, there's a plan for you. Security is a top priority for any business. MightyCall uses advanced encryption to protect your calls and data. You can rest assured that your sensitive information is safe. So, how do you get started with MightyCall? It's easy. Sign up for a plan, choose your phone numbers, and start making and receiving calls. The platform is user-friendly, so you'll be up and running in no time. MightyCall is more than just a phone system. It's a tool that can help you improve efficiency, enhance customer service, and grow your business. By understanding how it works, you can harness its full potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.